Welcome to Ray Rice Family.
We have the lovely cartoon car. This is for 18 months plus, so it's not really for a ride, but we're gonna just see how he reacts to the remote control car. He's like in the box right now. Yep, he's gonna control it. Big brother's gonna control it, and we're just gonna watch his reaction to it. So it should be a lot of fun. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and open up the lovely cartoon car and see what it does. It has music and light, so it should be pretty awesome to see it work. So big brother is helping little brother open up the box. So this is what it looks like outside of the box here. This is the cute little car. Of course it needs batteries, so we're on a hunt for 2A batteries. I like that this package seems easy enough to open. I can't wait to get it up and running and to see how this little guy reacts to it. He's up and he's very, very excited, as you all can tell. It's a little race car, so really, really neat and cool. It has the number 1 on there. It has like a little antenna detail. So yep, it comes with a little person. What do they call it? Like a race car driver. And then this is the remote control that's going to control the car. So go ahead and put the person in. Nice. We're getting ready to put in the batteries for this car, and we're going to watch it go. So we finally got the batteries into the car. It took forever, so Rye's actually asleep. But we're just going to test it out right now, and then we'll get his reaction on camera a little bit later. So go ahead, Rylan. Rylan's in control. Show them the remote control there. Nice. All right, Rylan. Let's see him go. It goes pretty fast. I actually like this. So bring them towards you.
Backward.
He's getting a little adventurous here. Wow, it's still intact. I'm impressed. Let's do it again.
Okay.
Okay, now I like this car. Yes.
Because you love knocking it down.
Whoa. I thought it was going to flip. Uh-oh. But the man stays in there. The little race car driver stays.
Okay, here I go.
Okay, on your march, get set, go! Wow!
I'll just say back up.
Wow.
That only has 2. Knock 1. Knock 1. They're out of the game.
Okay. Let's see, can you get those 2?
Hey, wait. We did knock down. Let's try this way.
Alright, we got 1. What? You got him.
Him there. Let Irene go. Show him. New race car. Let Irene show him that.
Yep, so Ray's getting ready to show Rye his new race car. We're going to see how he reacts to it. Yeah. Look at the lights.
Now I push your mommy.
He about to spit up, I think.
Steal.
You see it, Rye?
I can't back up.
So Rye is looking at the toys over here.
Up. Oh. I don't know why it can't back up. What? Whoa! I don't know what that means.
Right.
I'm a monster. I be a monster.
Here it comes.
I'm a monster. I'm a monster. Stop. Stop. I be a monster.
You already being a monster. This is the remote that controls the car. It goes forward, it goes backwards. So this is forward. This is backwards here, and it goes pretty fast. Comes with a little person here, and that person stays on for a long time. Have like the little wheels here. It's a very cute kitty baby car. It has so many nice little details to it, so I like the toy here. Pretty cool car. And I think Rylan really liked it too. I don't know if you guys can see. He's trying to get to it now. Yeah, so he's liking the car as well, so that's pretty good. Yeah. So yeah, he likes this car, so that's pretty good for him. Even though it's for 18 months plus, he can still enjoy this, and his brother can help him out by pushing the controls. This is Rye with his car. Yeah. Alright, this is Rye with his new car here. So we're signing off. That was pretty fun. Did you like that toy? Did you like it? Are you trying to give a thumbs up? We like that toy. See, I'm talking to all my baby subscribers. Yeah. To all your baby supporters, to tell their parents to like, comment, and subscribe so they can see more of you on videos, right?